Hey, we're back for more tricks with 5 balls. In the previous tutorial, you probably have learned how to juggle the 5-ball cascade. In previous videos, you also have learned to do different tricks with 3 balls. Well, here's the cool deal. All the tricks with 3 balls, you can also do with 5 balls. And the trick I'm going to show you in this video is going to be the 5-ball half shower. So in the half shower, as you remember from the 3-ball version, one hand is going to do normal throws, the other hand is going to do reverse throws. So when you put that trick, that idea, into a 5-ball cascade, it looks like this. And then if you want to make it even crazier, you can go for the reverse cascade, which is both hands do over the top throws, reverse throws. The 5-ball reverse cascade is a pretty challenging trick. It's challenging because you always want to look at the highest point of the ball, but the highest point of the balls in the reverse cascade with 5 balls, they're pretty far out. So you really want to keep the pattern, just kind of have this kind of feeling that the balls, you push them over, they come down here, but like it's kind of weird feeling. You really try to push the pattern in, because if you don't do that, the balls will go out automatically, and it's a pretty challenging move. So you start with all the same moves as what you learned the 5 balls with. But now every throw that you're gonna do, every exercise you're gonna do, for my 5-ball tutorial, you do it as over the top reverse throws. And then if you, with enough practice, you too can do the reverse cascade with 5 balls.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and more videos will be coming your way soon.